Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, it's me again, Mr. Learning, and we're back with another video. Alright, so today, this video is going to be beneficial or advantages for students. Alright, especially in terms of printing documents, printing files, okay? Alright, so I have here with me a laptop computer and a printer. Alright, let me show you my printer. Okay, there you go. That's my printer, Epson, and my laptop computer. Okay, and in this video, I'm going to teach you, of course, how to print documents. Alright, so let me make a document in MS Word or a file. Let me type in my name, Kevin. If I want to print my name, let me add some styles in it. Enlarge its font size, change its font style, and add some effects in it, alright, for us to see the differences later on. Okay, let me change its color. Every color, I want to change the color in each letter, okay, so that we may test our printer if it's still on its best capability or no more. Alright, so I'm done. There you go. We have different colors here. Right? That's what we're going to print. Okay? Using our printer, Epson L360. Alright? So without further ado, let's do this, my dear friends. Alright. Before anything else, let me just differentiate to you what's the difference between a soft copy and a hard copy. Alright? If we say soft copy, this is our file or the file that we can see inside our gadget, okay, or our computer. And if we say hard copy, the output, okay, or the product. Alright? So in this one, I've encoded my name. I've designed my name. Okay, so this is my soft copy. If I'm going to print it out, the result will be my hard copy. Alright, so assuming that this is already my final output, all I need to do then next is to press Ctrl plus P. Ctrl P, print. Alright, there you go. Okay, but before anything else, for you to print everything out, make sure that everything is connected. Okay, the cable, right, to be attached from your printer to your laptop. Okay, see there, our printer is offline, therefore we need to settle things first. Right, so since my printer is offline, I'm gonna unplug the cable, then plug it again or check it if it's well attached. Alright, I'm going to attach it again. There you go. Okay, so as you can see, it's now ready. Alright, ready to print our document. Then we may just click print. Alright, then you also have option here, my dear friends, if you want to print how many copies would you want to make, okay, with this document that we have. I am only going to make one copy because this will just then serve as a sample. Ctrl P, again, let me repeat it. Ctrl P, okay, then print, then just wait for it until it's done printing. There you go. There you go, our first document. Hey, this is our output. All right, the hard copy and the soft copy. All right. Hey, so that's it for now, my dear friends. I hope you've learned something how to print documents. Okay, And I hope you've learned something. Don't forget to subscribe if this is your first time to visit my channel. Hit that like, share, comment, and subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye!